So, it turns out I've struck again. Sun's out, and there's a Devon V8 meet on. So let's get the car out, let's head out, and let's see what's about. So we're all filled up with E5 super unleaded. We're now going to go meet Adam, Pat and Stacey en route, and then we're going to head down to a pub called the California Cross, which is on the way down to Kingsbridge. They've held the meet there a few times before in the past. Really nice little location, good ride, or good drive down. So yeah, come along for a ride and see when we get there. So we got Pat in front in the Gasser, we got Adam behind in the Nova. Weather's not as good as it was when we left. There's some pretty cool cars here, so let's have a look around and see what's about. Adam's 62 Nova with an LS build, really cool car. Another one of my favourites, Scotty's 55. This thing's cool as hell. It's just patinaed left. It's got a small block in it. I don't think he's ever cleaned it, which is all part of the attraction. Really cool car. So this is Al Marsh's. He's the organiser of the Devon V8s along with Malcolm. Really cool truck. It's got a straight small block in it. Definitely goes when it needs to. It's got some pretty large rear rubber on it. And he definitely drives it hard, which is what we like. Beautiful Mustang. Malcolm's all the way, really cool car, small block again. Mercury. Might be 44, I think. Tried to get one, but no one answered. Cool truck. Got the poke. This panel van's cool. I'd have one of these as a camper. It'd be awesome as a tow vehicle. Really nicely put together. So it turns out I've struck again. Damn! The TKX has failed me. Clean ripped the shifter out. The camera wasn't rolling, annoyingly. But yeah, the curse of me breaking Tremec gearboxes has continued. Can't believe it, but the threaded parts that keep the selector cups in the housing in here have snapped straight off. So back to the drawing board, need to see if they do a stronger one. Let's get it in the garage. So we're back. Good meet. Got to see some friends, as you know. Got to see some cool cars, but unfortunately it ended in typical James fashion with me being overzealous and unfortunately another Tremec based disaster. Not impressed, gonna be honest. This is quite an expensive gearbox. As some of you will know, I've got quite a name for myself for breaking gearboxes. So upgraded to the new TKX, which is meant to be quite a robust race box. A lot of the guys in the States use it. It's fairly new, but it's meant to be an all singing, all dancing box. Unfortunately, for the third time, as you saw in the last little clip, we have destroyed another shifter. So shifter housing is completely torn out of the box. That's the aftermath of all the parts that have broken. We do have a spare, fortunately, so we will do our best to get that sorted over the next couple of days. We are racing next weekend at Smeethorpe in Honiton, down in Devon. So got my work cut out, get that replaced, see whether it's done any more damage internally. It doesn't look like it's dropped too much in the box, so I think we're going to be okay. I think most of the debris was contained within the shifter housing. Yes, so stay tuned over the next couple of days for box out and a bit of a rebuild.